Okay, so tire tube installation. Always put the tube in last as possible to avoid breaking it. Just kind of rolling it in. Gently just rolling the tube inside. So one side of the bead is up against the rim. This side is open all the way, which allows me to slip this tube in here. We want the tube to be relaxed and not binding. And I start to tuck this in. I'm going to go by hand first. Just kind of using a rolling. I'm pulling and rolling with my thumb here. Like that. And if I get lucky, I can do this by hand. Usually though, take them off. I have to have a tool. And I might get lucky on this one. Let's see. We got this much left. What do you know? Got lucky and didn't need a tool. So there's that. There's that. Gotta clean up the gear down there before I put it on. But the spoke has been replaced. That's the spoke there, the new spoke. And this new tire pattern. This tire is not quite as firm or tough, but it looked like a good riding tire. So I thought I'll try this tire out and see how it works out. On these, I like to air these up about 50% and then let the air back out when I mess with the tube. That way, if there's, it lets the tube kind of self-adjust in there if you do that. I'm gonna pump this up and go from there.